Hello everyone, I am Vishal Kadam, Sales Automation Manager at CLOOS India. Welcome to Innovate Bharat. Here at Metal Forming Expo, we are showcasing the live demonstration of our key technologies, innovative process, which will simplify your welding task. And CLOOS here you can see this is a compact cell, and we are showcasing here our arc board system and CLOOS providing a solution all from single source, especially into robotic welding automation. CLOOS started their operation in 1990, and it's a 107 years old company, and we are specialized into the welding robotic systems.